Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Mazda 3 SP23 sedan, stock reference number 4375. The shape runs from the first month 2004 through to the fourth month 2009. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand guard, has one small dent on the top edge. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a bald tyre. Left power door mirror, 5-wire type. Left front door appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy sill skirt. Left-hand side, left rear door, light wobbles. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. There's a left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish. Got a tidy rear SP23 type sedan bumper. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand sill skirt. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has light wobbles throughout the centre. Right power door mirror, 5-wire type. At a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and blue cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter,